Hey everyone, if QuickBooks isn't printing invoices, checks, or reports correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get printing working again quickly. First, make sure your printer is connected and powered on. Sometimes the simplest issues like loose cables or Wi-Fi connection problems can block QuickBooks from printing. Next, verify that QuickBooks is using the correct printer. Go to File, then Printer Setup, and select the printer you want to use for forms or reports. This ensures QuickBooks sends the data to the right device. Make sure QuickBooks and your printer drivers are updated. Outdated drivers or software versions are one of the most common reasons printing fails, so keep everything current. Try printing a sample invoice or report. This helps you identify whether the problem is with QuickBooks itself or the printer, so you can focus on the right fix. If printing still doesn't work, run the QuickBooks PDF and print repair tool. It automatically fixes issues with forms, PDFs, and printer communication, which usually solves most printing errors. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking QuickBooks. Security software can sometimes prevent QuickBooks from sending print jobs, so allow QuickBooks through your firewall or antivirus settings. And finally, restart QuickBooks and your computer. A simple reboot often clears temporary glitches and restores printing functionality. So yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix QuickBooks printing issues. Follow each step and your invoices, checks, and reports should print correctly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more QuickBooks tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone!